How's it going, everyone? It's Geoff Chrysler, a detail enthusiast. Well, today is a great day. It is my birthday, for one, and it's December 21st, 12/21, which also happens to be the body number of my Austin Healey BN1. And it's just come home today, fresh from the paint shop. There she is. Let's have a look. There she is, a thing of beauty, automotive art. Really happy. So Jetstream Auto and Custom in Sydney, BC, deal with them all the time, and they've been my helping hand in doing all the metal and paint on my car. Jason Stock, the owner, took this under his wing and did a fantastic job, and their painter Sean did all the paint, and he's a master at what he does. They are masters at what they do, and it's just flawless. They got it all perfect, and really happy. And of course, this paint is the Healey Blue that my father came up with back in the 90s, and he back then made up about, once they got the color just perfect, they made up about 20 gallons of the stuff and used it on all his subsequent Healey restorations. And this is, you know, exactly what Healey Blue should be. They had about a dozen cars or so that they've used it on, and that have all been concours winning cars. And even up close, it's the metallic in it is so fine, it's barely visible. It's more of a sheen than it is a metallic flake, which is how it was. And wow, it just glints in the light. I love it. I'm so happy with it. So thanks again, Jetstream. You did an amazing job as always. And yeah, and Jetstream really took their time and got, you know, the finish and fit of all the panels just perfect. And it still needs, they just fit up, I helped Jason this morning, we just fit up the boot lid and the bonnet and the doors, which had been off of it when we painted it. But so we just fit them up quickly this morning so we could trailer it back to my shop. And so I'm going to play around with them a little bit more just to get my gaps absolutely perfect. They were perfect when we took it all apart for paint. So, but yeah, beyond that, she's just looking fantastic. And so it's only been home for about an hour or so, and the only things I've done so far, I fit the Austin Healey badge, looking really great. And I also fit the door check straps just to prevent them from opening too far at any time. And if you'll remember, I rebuilt those check straps with new springs that I got from a street sweeper quill, because the new ones that you buy just don't do the job. But as you can see, it's doing the job beautifully. Holds the door open nice and firm, and that's a satisfying click as it goes past its point. So both doors with renewed check straps working as they should, and it easily holds the weight of the door. So, and already I'm starting to pull out all the little bits and pieces that I can start assembling over the next few weeks. So lots to do, lots to keep me busy. And boy, this is the funnest part of any restoration, is all finishing all the chrome and trim, and of course doing the interior. And it's just going to get better and better with every detail. So lots to do over the next weeks and months, and it's perfect time of year for taking a few weeks off for my birthday and Christmas and New Year's, so I can sink in and putter away on my pride and joy and start installing all the chrome and interior and getting her all finished off. So there'll be more videos in the next weeks and months. I'll keep you posted on how she comes along. Until then, everyone, have a wonderful holiday. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and there'll be lots more to come. I'm Geoff Chrysler, a detail enthusiast. We'll see you next time.